Are you looking for the best treadmills for walking? In this video we will look at some of the best treadmills for walking on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Soul Fitness F80 Treadmills. When it comes to bang for your fitness buck, the Soul Fitness F80 has always been one of the best treadmills for walking. Featuring a broad 22 by 60 inch belt that's cushioned with 1 inch of flex, it maximizes comfort for walks of any distance. Speed and incline adjustment controls positioned 1. The armrests are some of the easiest we've used to change settings on the fly. And with a maximum incline of 15%, even walking slowly with a higher incline makes it easy to work up a sweat. Interacting with the F80 comes courtesy of a 9-inch LCD display that offers guidance through 10 pre-programmed workouts. Alternatively, the integrated tablet holder allows you to indulge in a Netflix binge or catch up on your favorite podcast while walking, boasting a top speed of 12 miles per hour and robust 3.5 chp motor. We find the F80 to be just as capable should you wish to pick up the tempo and turn a walk into a light jog. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 7603. The Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 7603 treadmill is a compact and affordable walking model that offers a variety of features for home workouts. Its 2.2 horsepower motor can reach speeds of up to 9 miles per hour. And 3 manual incline levels adjust the intensity of your exercise. While we prefer the ability to adjust incline by degrees of intensity, the treadmill's 3 preset levels are still effective at this price point. Beyond the powertrain and incline, a large LCD display shows your speed, time, distance, calories and heart rate via pulse grips, as well as 9 built-in programs for different activities. The treadmill has a shock absorption system that reduces the impact on your joints, and a soft drop system that makes it easy to fold and unfold the treadmill in seconds. Number 3. Go Youth 2-inch-1 under-desk electric treadmill. We awarded this walking pad the best overall under-desk treadmill because it's simple and effective. It comes pre-assembled and ready to use. We tried it out at our offices and it was easy to move around, especially compared to the full-size treadmills we recommend here, since it's lightweight and has wheels on the bottom. While you shouldn't use this for lots of run training, the max speed is 6 miles per hour and the deck is relatively short. It's a great tool to get walking while you're otherwise busy working at your standing desk or attending virtual meetings.